In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate and utilize the Audit Log feature in the Gear application. This tool is incredibly useful for keeping track of changes and understanding who did what within the app. You'll gain insights into filtering logs by both date and user, allowing you to streamline your searches and get the most relevant information quickly. Let's start by ensuring you're in the right location. Open the Gear application and locate the Audit Log section. Depending on your app configuration, you might find this handy tool in the sidebar or tucked away under a separate administration menu. Once you're in the Audit Log area, you're about to unlock a powerful feature that will help you comprehensively monitor all activities within your system. Now, let's dive into filtering by date, a fundamental step in tailoring your audit logs. You're likely to notice a date range selector prominently displayed at the top, which empowers you to choose specific timeframes for the log entries you wish to review. Start by clicking on the date filter, where you can select from preset options like today, yesterday, or last 7 days. If these don't meet your needs, you can pick a custom date range, especially if you're interested in events from a more specific period, such as monthly or quarterly auditing. Selecting a meaningful range will streamline your review process and highlight only the data that matters most to you. With your date range set, the next step is to refine your search by zeroing in on specific users. Locate the user filter option, which enables you to pinpoint whose actions you're examining. By clicking on this filter, you'll have the option to type in the user's name or select from a list of registered users. This is particularly useful if there are suspicions of unauthorized changes, or if you want to confirm that team roles and permissions are used appropriately. Combining both date and user filters transforms your audit log into a powerful investigative tool. This approach allows you to narrow your focus to the most relevant entries quickly, saving you valuable time and increasing the effectiveness of your auditing process by centering on pertinent information. Once you've applied both filters, go ahead and review the logs. You should now see a refined list of actions taken by the selected user within the chosen date range, enabling you to take note of any anomalies or unexpected actions that might require further investigation or follow-up. Finally, keep in mind the importance of regular monitoring. Set aside time to review logs periodically, as they offer a comprehensive view of your system's activity and are crucial for maintaining security and compliance. Practice applying these filters, and you'll quickly become adept at retrieving the information you need efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide empowers you to wield the full potential of the audit log effectively.